what we call knowledge.
I'm not going to speak of Excel expert again.
Can you hear me? We're going to look at some few questions about cybersecurity. Okay. Some few questions about cybersecurity, then you should be fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'm going to share my screen. Give me a second. Can you see my screen?
Yes, please.
Okay. Good.
This technology removes direct equipment.
Are you okay?
Yes, please. I'm reading the question.
Okay. So I'll read it, then we will discuss it, okay?
Okay.
So which technology removes direct equipment and maintenance cost from the user for data backups? Do you understand the question?
Yes.
Okay. So the first is network attached storage, an external hard drive, a tape, a cloud service. What do you think the answer is? I can't hear you.
Okay, sir. So I think it says data backups, and I don't think an external hard drive would do anything. A tape, maybe no. A tape, I don't know if it's like actual tape, but I don't think so. So I think either a cloud service or network attached storage. I don't know. So I'll say cloud service.
Cloud. Okay. Submit. Let's look at the next.
My goodness.
Which of the following should be carried out to address unknown software vulnerabilities of a specific application? So if there is a vulnerability of a specific software application, what can we do to address that? Is it to remove the application, install a security patch, change the hardware, change the software?
I think if you change the software, I think it's the same. It's almost similar to the remove the application. So maybe I think install a security patch, because even if you change the hardware, it won't make any difference.
Okay, let's move on.
I hope it's right. You must install.
We will find out. Don't worry. Why might internal security threat cause greater damage to an organization than external security threat? Internal users have better hacking skills. Internal users have direct access to the infrastructure devices. Internal users can access the organizational data without authentication. Internal users can access the infrastructure devices through the internet.
This is greater damage to an organization than external security threat. Internal users have direct access to the infrastructure devices. Internal users have access to the organization. Without.
Is that it?
Yes, I think so. Yes.
Okay, let's move on.
Okay.
What is a security playbook? If you don't know, you let me know you don't know. What is a security playbook? A collection of repeatable queries or reports that outline a standardized process for incident detection and response. A collection of security alerts, logs, and historical data from the network. A step-by-step guide on how to carry out IT-related procedures.
This one, I don't know, but I'll say that maybe it's a security alerts, logs, and historical data from the net.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know, but I'm just trying to give an answer because I don't want to say I don't know the answer.
Okay, you don't know? Okay, so let me hit you don't know. Submit. What can the skills developed by cybersecurity professionals be used for? Cybersecurity professionals develop many skills that can be only used for good. Cybersecurity professionals develop many skills that can be used for good or evil. And cybersecurity professionals develop many skills that can only be used for evil.
I think it's to be good and or evil, because
okay,
if we learn a skill, it depends on you how you use the skill. So
okay. What is the most common goal of search engine optimization poisoning? SEO poisoning.
I think I've heard of SEO, but this one there.
Okay, so to trick someone into installing malware or divulging personal information.
Someone just greeted you.
Oh, hello, mommy. I can't see you.
Yes,
mommy.
Very much. I just came from work.
Oh, that's good.
Me and mommy, why? Me and mommy.
That's it.
What's it? Yeah, mommy,
go. Okay, mama.
Okay.
So what is the most common goal of search engine optimization poisoning? To trick someone into installing malware or divulging personal information, to overwhelm a network device with malicious phone packets, and to build a botnet of zombies. And the last option, to increase web traffic to malicious sites.
Well, I think that's not the first one. Maybe to overwhelm a device network. No, wait. It says search engine. Maybe it could be that to increase web traffic to malicious
sites. Okay.
Yes,
Now we are just checking your knowledge before we start cybersecurity. Okay.
Okay. Which are the following?
So pieces of information will be classified as personal data.
Social security number. I think no. Okay, IP address and then date and place of birth. I don't think it's driver's license number. No, and then an IP address.
Are you sure?
Yes, please. I'm sure.
What's your understanding of personal data?
Someone's digital footprint, or like on the internet. So like my information that I put.
Your information. Yes. But if I know if I know the IP address of your computer, would that give me a clue as to who you are?
But I don't know. It could lead to your address, your house address or something.
Okay, I'm just asking questions. So let's move on. This is what you are saying. So it's fine. Let's move on.
Okay. Maybe the driver's license number, but I'm not too sure. Maybe I know those two are correct, but either the IP or the driver's license, but not too sure. Behavior-based analysis involves using baseline information to detect what?
What?
Behavior-based analysis. Vulnerability and I think I've heard of behavior-based analysis. I'm not too sure about it, but is it talking about like a software or the person?
As the person, behavior has to do with human being, no?
Oh, okay.
And it can also be yeah.
Maybe I'll say the first one.
Anomalies?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see.
How many questions are there, please?
Just 20.
Okay.
Can you identify the cyber attacker type from the following descriptions? So someone who makes political statements in order to raise awareness about issues that are important to them. So what type of a cyber attacker will this person fall into? Is it script kiddies, hacktivists, state-sponsored attackers?
Hacktivists.
Hacktivists. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Gather intelligence or commit sabotage on specific goals on behalf of their government. So people who do that Is it the script kiddies, hacktivists, or state-sponsored attackers?
I think state-sponsored attackers.
Okay. Use existing tools on the internet to launch a cyber attack. Script kiddies.
That's the first one. Script kiddies.
Okay. Let's move on.
Let's hope that's correct then.
Which of the following certifications is aimed at high school and early college students, as well as anyone interested in a career change? Is it the Microsoft Technology Associate Security Fundamentals, Palo Alto Network Certified Cybersecurity Associate, ISACA CSX Cybersecurity Fundamentals, CompTIA Security Plus EC Council Certified Ethical Hacker, ISC2 Certified Information System Security Professional? So as a high school, which one would you go for? If you don't know, that's fine. I'll select
this one, Microsoft. Because
Microsoft
that's what
Technology.
I'm gonna say that because the rest, that one day, I don't even know about it. I don't know anything. Okay. Yeah.
Which of the following characteristics describe a worm? Execute when software is run on a computer. You're selecting two correct answers. A self-replicating, hides in a dormant state until needed by an attacker. Infect computers by attaching to software code, travels to new computers without any intervention or knowledge of the user.
I think,
so selecting two. When?
I think the first one, and then maybe hides in dormant state. So.
Okay. That's your answer?
I don't know. Yeah, just.
Okay, so this is just a knowledge check. Don't worry. What is the best?
I've forgotten when. I learned it. How can I forget when? All these things.
IC3, you've forgotten.
Oh no, like I'm trying to remember. I don't think it's the hide in dormant state. Maybe it's not self-replicate, or maybe it attaches itself to the code.
So what should I select?
I think infects computers by attaching to soft code.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, that's two answers.
Okay. What is the best approach for preventing a compromised IoT, Internet of Things device from maliciously accessing data and devices on a local network? So you want to prevent that. What do you do? Oh, I mistakenly selected one of them. So tell me what do you think the answer is?
To prevent your compromise from maliciously accessing data and devices on a local network. Install software on every network device. Place all IT that have access to the internet on an isolated network. Disconnect all. Set as security settings of work. I think maybe disconnect all IoT devices from the internet.
And if you disconnect it, then you can't use it.
Oh, okay. Then maybe install a software firewall on every network device.
Okay.
Because let's place all ITO devices on an isolated network, then.
So what do you want to do? Are you going with the first answer? Yes.
Please, what was the last answer?
Set the security settings of workstation web browsers to a higher level.
I think it's the first one. I'll just say with the first one first.
Okay.
I'm not too sure.
Let's move on. Which of the following is an example of two-factor authentication? Two-factor authentication.
Fingerprint and password, and then password and username.
We are selecting just one.
Oh, okay. Your password and username.
password, and username.
Yes.
And that is your two-factor authentication.
Two-factor authentication can either be your account number and name and your name, but I think that depends, because usually two-factor authentication you would have to send though you enter your thing and they'll send you like a code or something like that to give you.
So after you entered your username and password, there is another layer of security where they send a code to you.
Yeah, so I don't know if it's your account number, because it's just like your answer to a general question and your password. Okay, yeah, maybe your answer to a general question, because sometimes they tell you to select the so that you can enter like your password, then they'll ask you, okay, select the picture that has the motto on it, or select this one that has this on it. It depends.
Okay, we'll get into that. Don't worry. So
I'm not too sure, because your account number, I don't think the account number, your account number, no, and your name, no, I don't think so. Maybe, and you can't, obviously not all devices use fingerprint and your password. So yeah, and your password and your username is just for like the first of it. So I think maybe it's the first one. That's your answer to a general knowledge question and password.
Okay, no worries. We'll treat this into details. Don't worry.
Maybe I'm thinking too deep into it.
What is the main purpose of cyber warfare?
Hey, warfare is crazy.
Yes.
Nice, cyber warfare.
Yeah.
To disseminate possible war scenarios among nations, to develop advanced network devices to gain advantages over to protect cloud-based data centers. I think that's it.
Okay.
Now, why are you simulating possible wars scenarios with nations?
What protocol is used to collect information about traffic, traversing, and network? So you want to monitor the traffic over a network. What protocol is used to collect that information? If you don't know, you don't know.
I don't know, but Telnet. Let's see Telnet or something.
Telnet.
I'm just gonna say that because I don't know. Something is drawing me to that, so I'll just say that.
Okay. Are you know HTTPS?
Yes.
Okay. What about NAT?
NAT, I'm not too sure about NAT.
No, NetFlow. Good, that's fine. Let's move on.
I've heard of NAT and NetFlow before, but I'm not too sure about it.
Okay. What name is given to the emerging threat that hides on a computer or mobile device and uses that machine's resources to mine cryptocurrencies?
Oh my goodness. What is this? What is this? Hey, wow. Maybe I'll say cryptojacking, because I know phishing is not that. And maybe cryptojacking.
Cryptojacking.
Maybe it says that hides.
It hides.
So maybe the first one. I don't know if you know. I think the first one. I think I'll say the first one.
Crypto ransomware.
Hey, ransomware. No, okay. Then cryptojacking. Cryptojacking. I'll just stick with that one. Because ransomware is like you taking the person's touching you to pay this one. But this one says hi. Okay, so cryptojacking.
Okay. Let's move on.
I don't even know what bluejacking is, but okay.
Okay, let's look at the next. Can you identify the software vulnerability from the following descriptions? Occurs when data is written beyond the limit of memory areas that are allocated to an application. So what is that? Buffer overflow, race condition, access control.
So please, can I read the question one more time?
Okay, read. Yeah.
So please, then drop down.
Okay.
The drop
I've stopped. Okay.
Occurs where data is written beyond the limits of memory areas that are located in an memory limits beyond the limits of memory areas that are located in an application. So okay, I think I can answer now.
Okay. So what's the answer?
I think maybe buffer overflow.
Okay. Occurs when an ordered or timed set of processes is disrupted or altered by an exploit.
I think race condition.
Occurs through the improper use of practices that manage equipment, data, or application.
Access control.
Okay.
I hope this is correct. I'm not too sure about any of them. What are the fundamental principles for protecting information system as outlined in the
MC McCumber-Q. If you don't know, you don't know. If you don't know, you don't know.
Yes, I don't know. I really don't know. And all these conflict raising and So let's end it there. Let's skip to the 19 because 18 there is not for me.
Okay. So during a meeting with the marketing department, a representative from IT discusses features of an upcoming product that will be released next year. Is this employee's behavior ethical or unethical?
How is that unethical? Discusses, okay, it says next year, upcoming product will be. It says during a meeting with the marketing department, a representative from IT discusses features of an upcoming product that will be released next year. Is the employees. Okay, it says marketing and a representative from the IT discusses. Maybe I'll think it's. Okay, I think it's unethical because if you think about it, it's marketing. The product hasn't been approved yet, or it's releasing next year. So maybe you have to, if it's next year, like they'll have to approve it and all this stuff before they start marketing it. So I think it's unethical.
Okay. What is the primary goal of a DOS attack? DOS attack.
DOS attack.
Do you know?
Oh, yes, like I know DOS.
Okay, what's the full meaning of DOS?
Device something software.
No.
Sad.
Don't worry.
Does it have software attack on it? Does it have software?
No, there's nothing like a software, please. No.
Let's say I don't know this answer because I clearly don't know what this is. I feel like I've seen the DOS before, but
you've seen it, yeah? You don't know.
I feel like I've seen it before, but I don't know what it is.
Okay, it's fine.
Wow, what people are doing nowadays is crazy.
So submit all and finish. What's the result? So it means you are a beginner learner.
Yes.
That's why we've started this, okay?
Yes.
So beginner. So introduction to cybersecurity 46, attacks, concept and techniques. You've got 50, protection and data privacy 51, protecting the organization 43, and will your future be in cybersecurity 56, which is fine. We are learning, okay?
Yes, please.
So that is just more or less a sneak peek into cybersecurity.
It's exciting.
Yes. Very so in our next meeting, we will take our time, break it down, help you understand it. Then once you've gotten the skill set and you are okay, then you can decide to take the certification with Certify Ghana. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then you should be fine. Is that okay?
Yes, please, sir. Thank you.
Sir, so tell Lila that we need to work on Excel. So I want her to start with the skill review 1.
Okay, sir.
Skill review 2 and skill review 3. And I want her to do it in training mode for the first attempt, then testing mode. So I'm expecting 6 different score reports from her.
Okay, sir.
By the end of this week.
Okay, sir, I'll tell her.
Then by the end of... Come again?
I'll tell her word for word.
Yes. So by the end of this month, then she would also decide to get certified with Certified Ghana. Okay?
Okay, sir. So
Okay.
I didn't even do word.
You did word or you didn't do word?
I did word, but I didn't do the 365.
Well, you can do it if you want to.
Okay, I think we should do access of PowerPoint. Then maybe word would be the last one.
Okay, then we will need to combine that, cybersecurity and Word. So you can start with the practice exercises for the Word 365. Okay? Then I'll speak to Mami. Then we later get in touch with Certified Ghana. And you're all on your way, yeah? Okay.
Thank you, sir, so much. Bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm going to do all the practice questions for the Excel expert. That will.
Yes. Don't give up. Don't give up. Unless you've had 3 attempts. The 4th attempt, you'll be fine.
Yes.
Okay. So just work on the weaknesses, the combo charts, then all the other difficult bits and pieces that were confusing. Maybe when we meet, we'll go through it one more time just to make sure you are okay. Then we can schedule to take it again. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.